ENAUTO Section 10 Summary Challenge, Cisco SD-WAN Programmability. Which component in the Cisco SD-WAN architecture is the controller? Okay, the edge is not a controller. It's an edge device, a WAN edge router. vSmart is the controller. It belongs to the control plane. And actually, vBond and vManage, I think they are controllers as well. They consider controllers too, right? Yeah, but probably like vSmart is more so controller than two others because it's controller, which also belongs to the control plane. Which component in the Cisco SD-WAN architecture exposes the REST API? vManage does that. And yeah, so it's a managing console, it has a GUI, but also it exposes a RESTful API. Which two types of data can you view in the monitoring API? So these two types of data, they are status and statistics. Right, so that's what you can do in monitoring API. Status shows the status of, for example, interfaces, like state of the interfaces, up, down, things like that. And statistics shows more operational information about like packets and traffic, things like that. Which two common types of API does Cisco SD-WAN have? Common types of API. So configuration device inventory, these are one of like a couple examples of collections which are there. Orchestration API, no. Control or startup API, I have not seen either of these. So that should be configuration device inventory. Which option describes a software-defined network? The control plane and data plane are decoupled. Well, yes, they are, right? That's kind of the idea of SDN. A network that is only software defined? No. The control plane and data plane are in a signal box? Not correct. And security has none. Yeah, okay. So the first option here is correct. Which component exists in the data plane of the Cisco SD-WAN architecture? That must be the edge, because this is the router which basically connects the overlay to underlay and enables the end networks, the service side, to be connected to the overlay. And finally, what does SDN stand for? It stands for Software Defined Network.